Hello students, my name is Arvind Rai from LPM Public School which is in Gola Bazar, and today I am here to discuss some topics related from the chapter that is our solar system, which is from social science of class 3rd. Now under this subject we will discuss about our solar system. Our solar system. Now in our solar system, today we will learn that what are the objectives, what are the outcomes, and what are the different subtopics we are going to learn in today's class. Now after completion of this topic, after the completion of this lesson, we will be able to visualize the solar system, the different elements of the solar system, and about stars, galaxies, Milky Way, constellation, and planets. Whatever the topics we are going to learn, we can visualize, we can find the difference between these topics. Now firstly, what we are going to learn, first we are going to visualize the concept of the solar system. What are the bodies, what are the heavenly bodies we have in our solar system, and after the completion of this chapter we can describe the solar system and the other heavenly bodies which we have in our solar system. Now come to the point, the universe. Now this is the point, the universe. In universe, when we look at this topic, or in practical way, when we look up at the sky in the night, we see many small shining dots. We see moon, and in the day we see sun and many objects in the sky, formation of constellation and some galaxies. So universe is a vast space, very vast space, and with very twinkling dots. So the universe is a very vast space with many twinkling dots, that is called universe. The sky is a part of an endless space called the universe. Means to say, our sky has a very endless and very wide, very vast area which we are not able to define. The universe, the universe consists of gases, dust, heavenly bodies, objects like stars, planets, and all the empty space in between. Now students, in this topic universe, we will learn about our earth and some other planets which are total 18 numbers, and what are the works of the planets, and we have also sun in our planet, what is the work of sun, and we will read some interesting facts about our earth, that is a very unique planet in our solar system. When we talk about this universe, we can say we have many objects, gases, and a wide space in the sky, and these all things consist of, they form universe. Now students, in the topic universe, first we will study about Earth. This is the planet where all human beings live and all living beings have their life on this planet. That is why this planet is called a very unique planet, because we have life, living things have life only on this planet. So that's why this planet is called a unique planet. Now we will learn some more lines about Earth, that no one knows exactly how large the size of the Earth is. We can take an example as a very small, very tiny particle of a sand we can describe as Earth in the universe. So you can imagine how vast and how much big the universe is. Now we will have some second point. Now come to this point, which is Big Bang Theory. What is Big Bang Theory? It is said that million years ago, we have in the beginning all the matter in the universe was contained in a single tiny point. Then there was a very huge explosion, and after the explosion taken place in the past, we got our universe. And in the universe we got many planets, stars, constellations, asteroids, and many things which we are going to learn in this lesson. So this was the theory which describes how the universe was formed. Scientists say that after this Big Bang theory, which took place millions years ago, on behalf of results of this theory, they said that universe was formed. Now students, come to the next topic, what we are going to discuss, that is stars, galaxies and constellations. Now, first one is stars, second one is galaxies, and third one is constellation. Now, look at this point. First one, stars. What are stars being called? Stars are the bright twinkling objects you see in the sky at night are stars. They get their light. Why they shine? They get their light from the sun. Now come to the second point, which is galaxies. What is galaxies? A very large group of stars is called a galaxy. What do we call? A very large group of stars is called a galaxy. Now come to the third point, that is constellation. Constellation means group of stars which form or make an image that is known as constellation. What do we call constellation? Group of some stars which form an image is called constellation. For example, we can say the Orion constellation, which shows a image of hunter. This is called a constellation. Now, after all this, when we talk about planets and numbers of planets in the universe, we can say that we have 8 planets in our universe. And what is the work of the planets? That they take around to the sun. This we can say, this is a sun, and we have 8 different planets. We have 8 different planets, and they take a revolution, they make a movement which they revolve around the sun. Planets revolve around the sun. This is called a revolution. This is a main function of the planets. They revolve around the sun. Thank you, students, for listening to me and supporting me for this class. Have a nice day. We'll meet in the second video with some other important and interesting facts about the universe and the solar system. Thank you.